The customer's response is very positive. The customers are happy to have a direct conversation with the supplier or manufacturer. There are so many new things to talk about that you just can't present via Teams or websites, and where personal conversation is much more helpful and offers so much more creativity as a possibility. That is appreciated by customers and by us.
Because it's really a world platform for showcasing new technologies. Because you have such a diversity of public that are coming here, and they're coming to look for the next solution for them. So this is why EuroBLECH is such an important trade show for us, and we're really glad to be back after 4 years.
This fair is the #1 fair for sheet metal in the world. It's recognised everywhere. So this week we will have clients coming from not only Europe but North America, India, Australia, New Zealand, I think even Argentina. So it's really important for us globally also.
A lot of possibilities to achieve some deals, to contact personally with the people during the last 4 years. It was a pity, not to be able to join this kind of exhibitions, because we need these discussions face to face.
Wenn man innovativ sein möchte.
If you want to be innovative, if you don't just do project reporting, but if you come up against problems where opinions differ, even in a positive sense, and you have to form a consensus where you have to think innovatively, cross over, create new ideas, then it is important to look people in the eye, to feel reactions, because in that respect, communicating with humans is much better than with machines.
Sehr überlegen.
Window to the world. EuroBLECH, being at EuroBLECH is very important, because there are some countries that have some tradition of coming to Germany to buy machines, mostly Latin countries. So even for other markets, it's very important for us to be here.
EuroBLECH has been always really important. It's a key moment in our industry, in our market. Today is the leading fair in Europe for sure, and as some people from abroad, we expect people from all over the world. So for us, it's an investment. We believe in this exhibition, and that's why we present such an important stand with a lot of solutions for our customer.
It's nice to meet everybody, it's nice to see people and customers from all over the world, and above all there is good flow of people, a lot of people, so we are very happy to be here again. Even because EuroBLECH is of course the reference for the metal sheet world.